All right, so you guys picked a toucan. Why? Besides, it's awesome.
His name's Sam, Toucan Sam.
Oh, that's a good reason. It really is. That's one of the best reasons I've heard today. Most people just stand there like, I don't know. Like Band-Aid. I don't know, where's Band-Aid? I don't know. Okay, so you guys picked the toucan. All right, well, go ahead. First of all, I like your food web. The thing's awesome. Speak loud, Sam.
Okay, I'll do that. To eat, they grab the food in their beaks, they throw it in the air, and then they swallow it whole. And when they're eating fruit, nuts, and sometimes smaller, weaker birds, they have to use their beak to, for the fruits, they have to be able to slice open the fruits, and they have to break the nuts sometimes to get to the nuts.
Sure, the meat of the nut. Yeah.
Their diet consists of berries, fruits, insects, frogs, and sometimes small lizards.
So they would be what kind of a consumer? Omnivores. My light's going all cattywampus.
For eating large fruits, they break those as well to get to the softer insides. And sometimes they raid other bird nests to get the eggs.
Cool.
Their predators are humans, big cats, and their worst predator is the jaguar.
Why is that their worst predator, do you think?
Eats them the most.
Well, but why though? Because we just had the jaguar, right? So why would that jaguar eat the toucan the most, do you think?
Because the jaguar eats almost everything that's food.
Yeah. What do you think, Favor, since you had it?
Jaguar lives in the understory.
Right. I mean, they're very close. They're similar in proximity, right? So they're close together. Toucans are probably, fairly easy catch for the jaguar. So that's why. Good.
The purpose of the toucan is that when they eat their food, they spread the seeds around so everything will grow back.
Good.
And then they help keep the animal tick levels low.
Okay. Good thing about it too. Again, they're the food for the jaguar. So if jaguars eat them the most, that means the jaguars need them. So good.
They live up in the trees in densely forested areas, lives in the canopy layer, live in small holes in the trees, and mostly live in Central and South America.
Yeah, if you guys look there, but they live in all the different rainforests around the world, don't they? They live in like the Indonesian rainforest and like Sumatra and Borneo. They also live in the Congo, which is in Africa. What? The Amazon too. Yeah, that's where they said the main one was. But they live all over in all of them. Cool.
The bitch, they have 2 to 4 eggs a year. Parents take 4 shifts washing the eggs. Take an hour shifts washing the eggs.
What do you mean watching the eggs? Like they sit there and look at the eggs? Or like they sit on them? Cool.
Extremely social birds have a strong light beak to crack open foods such as nuts and hard shell insects.
How can that beak be light? That thing's a monster.
There's air pockets in some.
Yeah, that beak is basically hollow. Thoughts?
Why do they have such big beaks?
Why do they have such big beaks, guys?
So they can reach fruits and berries if they're sitting on a branch below.
And like they have like that little like thing on their bottom one. Their bottom beak is sharp.
They could get food that other
Just-
animals could.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they'll have some of that kind of stuff when they get over there. Cool, man.
Avoid competition by eating a variety of foods. Toucans' bills are used for protection. To play, they can wrestle with their bills or play catch by throwing food into the bill.
And they use them for mating, I think, too. I think they're mating rituals. Yeah, right. The bigger the beak, the bigger or the more often you can reproduce, right?
For description, toucans have a wide variety of colorful feathers. Toucans are one of the noisiest jungle birds with a croak like a frog that can be heard a mile away. They have short, sturdy legs. They wave the beak back and forth to seem intimidating. They have a round tail and short round wings. They are famous for their big and colorful bills. Has a long tongue that can extend up to 6 inches. One adaptation of a toucan is that they have 4 claws, 2 in front, 2 in back, to hold onto fruit and branches.
Why is the tongue so long?
It's easier for them to get food and to get like if they want to eat the seeds in the food, like just the seeds, they can reach into the food with their tongue.
And they eat insects too, right?
They eat
So if you think about insects that would be like inside of a tree, they can use that to get them out a little bit too. Good.
They make like noise with their tongue.
I don't know about that, Brett. Maybe.
Oh, aren't they the birds that get the fish, like they scoop up water?
No, that's a pelican.
That's okay.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's a different bird.
We have some more information.
Some extra stuff there.
Yeah. Toucans are not considered endangered, but they are threatened by humans. The smaller the toucan, the harder it must flap his wings.
That's kind of true of all birds. I mean, you think about like a hummingbird that's really small. You guys ever seen a hummingbird before?
Yeah.
They go really fast. Yeah. Good. All right, guys. Your food web. First of all, I think your food web turned out pretty sweet. What kinds of things do you guys have on there? What do you have that eats it? First of all.
Large cats.
Oh yeah. The margay too. What's that? That's like a cat, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's almost like a house cat, but they're a little bit bigger. Yeah, they're like a big house cat. Yeah.
And then they eat
Oh, they're a little bit
termites.
small, I think, about that actually.
They eat termites, small snakes,
They're about that same.
insects, berries, some frogs, and small lizards.
Cool. Yes, Sam?
One thing we didn't add is that some of the snakes will eat their eggs as well.
Wait, the toucan's eggs.
Yeah.
Snakes eat a lot of the eggs of the birds in the rainforest. It's a really easy meal for a snake. Cool. Anybody else? Oh, wait, what's on the top there by niche? What's that picture of?
It's
About their eggs and their babies.
the inside picture.
Huh. What color is their eggs that are in the grass there?
It's just like they made a nest out of just leaves, it looks like.
Huh. Cool. All right, guys. Any other questions for these guys? All right, guys. Good job.